This would be the introduction to our game design and development club. So we're just going to get started here. So after you've booted up Unreal Engine, you should be greeted with this menu if it's the first time you're booting it up. I want you to just go straight down to games here, and we're going to pick the first person template. Just for like examples here, we've got some other templates that we can work off, so first person, third person, top down, virtual reality, vehicles, but in this case we're going to pick first person. So once we click that, we want to make sure that we're set to blueprint. Target platform is desktop, quality maximum, so whatever our PC can run, we'll be running on that. We don't need ray tracing, and for the purpose of this we'll keep the start content on. So this is when you should have your hard drives plugged in. So it says project location here. All you need to do is click on the little folder there, find your hard drive and save it to your hard drive. So your project name is located here, so we're going to change that to So we've got the Sandworld Game Project. Now, just go with Sandworld Game. So, your file name, it won't allow you to have any spaces, so where you want a space, make sure you put a underscore instead. That'll act as your space. Once we're all done here, we can go down and press create. That'll then begin to boot up our project. As you can see here, we'll get this nice little splash screen. This is going to load in everything we need to get started. And here we go. So right away we're thrown into this editor. You can see quite a lot of stuff going on here. Don't worry, we'll get into it. So you may not have this here, this content browser. Yours may look a bit more like that. However, if we click content browser here, down here at the bottom left, we can then press dock in layout. Let's try again. Docking layout, there we go, that might that appear, and then we can just drag that down and put that there. Great, so then that will give us access to this menu down here at the bottom. So let's get started. Right click on the mouse, WASD will allow us to move around. The right clicking on the mouse will let us spin the camera around so we can look around. Left click just moves in the strange format here. So I would say right click WASD to move around. So what do we have here? We've got ourselves a little testing ground here. So this is a good place to just get started experimenting with some items within the editor. So if we want to actually like launch into the editor itself and take control of the player, up here at the top we've got this little play button. Let's click that, and we are now a character within the game level. So this is just a instanced version of the level. This isn't the real level. So we can take control, we can jump, we can pick up a gun. Okay, so if we want to leave this here now, all we have to do is press the escape button on your keyboard, and that takes us back to the full editor like this. Okay, So that is just your introduction, and we'll get into